Happy Lionsgate. I just thought, is it going to be Meditation Monday? Happy Lionsgate? It's Lionsgate. Today's the day. I do like how these meditations tend to fall on the correct dates, because it's the 8th of the 8th today, around 7 o'clock in the morning. I like my early starts. And this energy is like nothing else I've ever experienced before. It's as I was saying on Friday, the platform of energy has changed. So the true definition of fifth dimensional energy is defined by our alignment of the alignment of our heart to it, so that everything works symbiotically. It's when things are out of alignment that we start getting the physical, mental, emotional and the spiritual symptoms. So this morning, as the Lionsgate is ruled by Leo, and Leo rules the heart. Little squirrel on the back. I don't know if you're noticing the squirrels recently. They're kind of they're doing their aerial displays, and we've got a lot of them in this garden. So whatever you're doing today, however you are celebrating Lionsgate, I would say, or I would always recommend, that whatever you do, lead with the heart. Okay, this is all about the heart. That's what the ascension process is ultimately doing. And we're having this conversation at a lovely gathering that my friend Diana Cooper organised for me on Sunday. And it's you can cut out all of the other things that are going on around us, all of the distractions, all of the different methodologies that you can apply to the spiritual pathway. All roads lead back to the heart, the navigation of moving away from the ego into the heart center, but also then accepting and loving and working with your ego rather than attempting to utterly banish it. So just take a few deep breaths on this fine, highly energized Lionsgate morning. Take a deep breath in. Open your heart center. As you breathe in, feel that ball of powerful pink and white and gold light activating within the center of your chest. Your heart will be extra lively this morning. So take another deep breath in. As you breathe in, feel the sun within the center of your chest igniting and aligning with our own sun. You might start to feel that Lionsgate energy pouring into your heart center. Take another deep breath in. Ignite the heart into a beautiful ball of light surrounding you. And then as you exhale, relax. Now this simple procedure is incredibly powerful. You are now sat within a ball or a sphere of your own heart's light, and that is a fifth dimensional frequency. But we're going to raise it a bit higher this morning. So take another deep breath in. As you breathe in and breathe out, start beginning to consciously connect your heart to the Lionsgate portal. Now, with your eyes closed high above your head, you may see our own sun in your mind's eye. Kind of the white, maybe slightly yellow ball of light that we all witness in our dimensional space at the moment. But behind the sun is a vast and extremely powerful portal of light, which is aligned with Sirius and also the Galactic Core. Now, as you are witnessing this portal of light, which is aligning as we are speaking and all over and throughout the course of the day, how does it look to you? What light is coming in from the higher realms? What is pouring down onto our planet at this time? You might see it via just a colour, or you might see codings and letters of light. You might see beings of light pouring in. We have the Lemurians pouring out of Telos in the inner earth, and we also have the beings of Lyra attending. We have the Sirians, with the Andromedans, the Pleiadians, all of the higher galactics, all pouring in accompaniment with the unicorns and the dragons. This is quite an event. So witnessing this portal of light from the light of the sun behind our sun, also bolstered by the light of the 7 spiritual suns that pour their frequencies into our ascension process, to sense and feel what this specific lionsgate means for you. Of course, we have the overall effect the lionsgate is going to have on our reality, but what does it mean to you? What is the poignancy for this particular event in relation to you and your process? Just ask your heart this at this moment in time. Ask your heart what benefit, what accelerations, what stepping up, what responsibilities, and what improvements the activations of these much higher frequencies are going to make upon your existence, on your ascension process, your soul pathway. And as you are resting within the bubble of your heart light, just be aware that the galactics are gathered around you. The Lyrans, the star beings, might also be joined by the beautiful Lemurians, who have also already made their presence known upon this planet after 260,000 years. Just feel this family of light around you. Okay, that's the message coming in, family of light, the support unit. And resting within your bubble of light, you may feel them pouring their love from their heart centers into you, into us, individually and collectively. So at this point, you might want to place your hand upon your heart and focus on the exchange of love between you and these pure higher beings. Ascended Master Merlin is reminding us to always be discerning of the energy that we are connecting to. Ask your heart to filter and check that all of the connections that are coming in of a 5th dimensional frequency. Now, you can ask your heart to do this. This is a good way of ensuring that all of the connections that you have physically and spiritually are in integrity. So just asking your heart to do that now, just making sure all of the connections that you are making are completely of the light. And just accepting, joining hearts with the higher souls, and allowing the love to pour in. And you may start to notice the presence of Ascended Masters joining us also. Merlin has already made his presence known. Good morning, Merlin. Serapis Bey, Adama of Telos. The beautiful Goddess Master, Kuan Yin. Lion beings from Lyra, and many, many more. Commander Ashtar is here. Lord Cthulhu. Ascended Master Poseidon and Anubis too. So feel your heart connecting to all of these higher souls. Some of them you may already be very familiar with, you might work with on a regular basis. And some of them might be newer to you. And as this connection increases and grows, start to feel the light within your heart becoming brighter and brighter. So the field or the bubble of light that you are residing within, the spherical bubble of light, is becoming to glow. It's beginning to glow brighter than the sun itself. And just breathe and relax, feel your vibration rising. Now your heart is also connecting directly to the cosmic heart, the 10th dimensional portal at Venus. This is pouring beautiful pink-white light into your chakra system, into your bodies and your fields. Now ask your heart to step forwards ahead of you throughout time and space today. So everyone and everything that you connect with, that you come into contact with, who you communicate with, maybe online or in physical, or all of the actions and the intentions that you engage in are heart-led. Your heart reaches out and clears the pathway first. Just take a few seconds to do that. And then just breathe and relax, and with a beautiful and very regal fanfare, the forces of light, the higher realms, in all their multitudes and all of their glory, are declaring that the lionsgate is open and that the light is pouring in, and the beginning of the fundamental changes are going to be taking place. But most importantly, as you rest within your heart light, know that you are supported, know that you are loved, know that you are no longer, if you ever felt alone on this ascension pathway, you are no longer alone. You will have this incredible family of light surrounding you and supporting you. Might not be in physical, but they will be here in the spiritual realms. So just allow yourself to melt into that support. This incredible embodiment of light, physically, mentally, emotionally and spiritually. And just feel your heart growing and growing in luminosity. So take another deep breath in now. And as you breathe out, join hands with whoever is standing on either side of you. It might be an ascended master that you know, it might be an angel. You might place your hand upon the neck or the back of a unicorn or a dragon, and just become one with this family of light, this incredible support network. And be ready to walk through the lionsgate with your light high, your frequency clear, and your manifestation sharp. So now feel silver roots. Grounding yourself in today will be very important as the light pours in. Focus upon your Earth Star chakra below the soles of your feet. Ask your Earth Star to hold you in the highest frequency at all times, the one that is of the perfect pitch and vibration for you. Feel those silver roots going down into the planet. And be mixing and merging with the light of Telos that is ascending up from inner Earth. And just become one in groundedness in heart, mind, body and soul. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Well, there will be 1,000 or hundreds of thousands of ways to connect into this energy today, but heart first. And whatever you're doing in the world, however you are celebrating this Lionsgate, if you are celebrating it, or whether you're just accepting and being part of the energy, we are going to be stepping through onto the other side of this. The energy could feel very different, or it might feel acceptable. We might be completely at one with it, in which case there's a sense of peace and linearity. But whatever is happening, the incredible influx of the higher realms, and by higher realms I do include the souls that are moving from inner Earth, from Telos, because Telos and inner Earth, hollow Earth is an ascended realm. It functions above the seventh dimensional frequencies. So we've got all of this coming in and integrating with us today, as well as that incredible alignment with the Galactic Core. So let's see where it takes us. And for those of you joining David and I tonight, we've got a wonderful workshop lined up. It's going to be a full celebration of the light that's coming in and the dedication and the commitment that we all have to this ascension process. So if you're joining us, looking forward to seeing you there. And for everybody else all around the world celebrating the Lionsgate, we are part of a unity now. We are part of a unity grid, a heart-based consciousness. And that is going from strength to strength. So sending you all loads of love from my heart to yours. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.